So, let's have a look on what is scale-in and scale-out for your storage. Scale-in is a way to add more disk to an existing disk controller, meaning that with that you can increase the available storage space for your business application. One example, you can have a disk array which is made of a controller and several here 2 disk trays, and if you need more space you can add additional disk trays, meaning that you will have more space for your business application. The problem with this approach is that you will still have the same amount and the same capacity in terms of processing power, memory, used by your single disk controller for this increased storage capacity for which you will have more IOs. Another solution is called scale-out. It means that you can not only increase the storage space, but also the processing power available on your disk array. How does it work? You can start again with a single controller, having, for example, 2 disk trays, and then instead of just adding disk trays, you can add several other disk controllers, each of them having their own storage, but it will be seen as a single disk array in terms of administration for the server or the application connecting to that controller. Of course, we can mix scale-in and scale-out, meaning that you can increase independently processing power and disk space, and I would say without space limits. For example, again starting from our first point, and then for example you can add controller with many disks that can be slower disk, and some controller having a smaller amount of disk, for example SSDs or NVMEs, meaning that you will be able to sustain the number of IOs that the disk can have for your business.